I am a candidate. You are arresting my team. What has my team done to you? You are firing at us. You are shooting at us.
Look at how they are abandoned.
You are shooting at us, officer.
Look there.
Now, see? You are shooting at us. Okay? You are trying to murder us.
And what is your name?
We are under attack. They have arrested most of our boys in the drone and they have cut a few of their faces and they are all piled up on that. We are under attack. We are under attack. We are under attack. Kill him! We are under attack. Ugandans, we are under attack by Museveni's militia. They have arrested many of our boys. Some of them have been cut in the faces. Chagulanyi is under attack. Bobby Wine is under attack. Mugalewe motoka. Gala wano Mark. Gala wano Mark. Mark, gala wano. Sike chintu echo. Gala. Tuli under attack. Tuli under attack. Baba n'abasajja mulabe bambadde. Ba assassin. Babadde basala abaana baffe. Beba abasirikale ba Museveni. Brutal men. Your parents must be ashamed of you. But for how long are you going to do this to Ugandans? Ugandans, we are under attack.
Uganda.
JINJA Nubian Li. You dogo stagena na mask.
Olebe kibakoze abo bachali. Choko ikenje wakana katamba.
Sorry. We were going for our campaign, our last rally. Many of our boys are piled onto that patrol. These people are heartless and they've covered up all the faces.
Tova ula sinubia bagala boga bana batwala. Tova. 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 Bagala boga bana bano batwala.
Camera choose.
Tova.
We are under attack. They have fully covered their faces. Ugandans.
You are trying to kill people. You are trying to murder our people.
They want to shoot you. Here the people are brutalizing Ugandans. Fellow Ugandans, we are under attack. They made sure they divert us in a very remote road. Kaka akabonero ke bambadde ku uniform zaabwe muketegereze. Yoyo musajja. Bebana basajja bachunya banna Uganda. Babo basazesaza abaana baffe mu face. Babo
Abana babajjemu mu motoka. Babajjemu. Babajjemu.
Dasta sikamu wali tugende kasa bavudde.
bavudde abaana.
Baba sumuludde.
Baba sumuludde.
Tukanoyo.
Eganye.
The car is dead.
No, move, sir.
The car is dead. Ugandans, we are under attack.
Chichi. Abudu chichi.
Abana afawo bali mu yobutu ejola bawe emotoka.
Abana babasibidde mu butu y'emmotoka.
Mugambe Bobby huyo mugambe. Mugambe Bobby. Abana bali mu butu ya motoka bagenda fiiramu.
Banange bana Uganda bana baffe bali motoka mu butu eno UAS 219R. Yiye motoka is a Primo UAS 219R. Basibidde abana baffe mu butu yene motoka UAS 219R. Musobola ogisearchinga mu revenue ne bakebera mukebere ene motoka eri manyagani bana Uganda enamba eri UAS 219R. Banange mujemu abana mu butu. Abana bagenda fiira mu butu ye motoka eno. Abana babasibidde mu butu yene motoka. Eno butu erimu abaana baffe. Bana Uganda Primen erimu abaana. Good. Mutuwa abaana baffe.
We are not a criminal officer. We are respect you. And the law is to protect us.
Emotoka efudde. This guy is dead. Emotoka ya police eri UP 7714 Primo ino gye bakubiramu abantu UAS 219R. Musobola osachinga amanya zigamanya mwe baziregisteringa. Bajiguddewo baba JM. Baba no ofisa Busayo neko Businje mama wa Uganda na kazadde w'eggwanga. Emotoka efudde, is dead.
You are not the judge. Okay?
Mu primo baba JM.
They are free baba chabalina.
Baba JM.
Mubutu baba JM.
Mpozi nga wala baba kwese munda mu motoka. Mu motoka tebana bagigulawo bakyagigadde. Temuli baana mu motoka.
Wait. Okay? I'm not supposed to be on your mercy, you criminal.
Iruga, you are a bad man.
Bana Uganda basaze abaana baffe mu face n'ebyambe.
And I'm telling you today, even if they kill me, you will have...
Fellow Ugandans, these policemen come from us, but they brutalize us like they're not one of us. No mwami naye wa police oyogola bakute camera. He's trying to profile our people. They want to kill one by one.
Hey, you push us. After you push him and we see.
Mujaga tukuba tujafiira wamu. How many can you kill?
The world is watching. This is history in the making. Record these criminals in police uniform. Okay? Yes, sir. Don't be scared. Yes, sir. We are not criminals. They are the ones breaking the law. The law is on our side. That is the regional police commander. You have all these cameras. Don't be scared. If you know the law is on your side, don't be scared. This is the officers of the law. This is the regional police commander. That is the regional police commander. They are all here. They will answer for this individually. Individually. That is what the human rights law says. Okay? They are abusing their human rights. Okay? All these people are bound by the human rights law. And the human rights law says every police officer that abuses human rights will pay individually. They will answer individually.
Ne banakazadde b'eggwanga nabo batuchalinga bannayuganda. Shame on you, you're supposed to be a mother. But for how much do they pay you to torture your fellow Ugandans? And for how long?
Just let them behave as criminal as they want. Just don't fear them. These are our servants.
You think you have a monopoly on guns? This is so devastating. Fellow Ugandans, these are the officers who are brutalizing us.
And you behave like that.
She's called Kavuvungano in JINJA. You're supposed to be a mother of this country, and you look on while they torture fellow Ugandans. You give birth to children and they are Ugandans. The same will happen to them. This is the car. UAS 219R. Mukebera amanya ge bagiregisteringamu. Look how they are covered.
Bakugulire motoka president. Eno yani.
My friend, you cannot be Ugandans.
Bano logo yabwe eriko city ku mikono.
And you're not above the law. Whoever is using you.
Lwachajiresinga. Temufaawo.
Fellow Ugandans. They've made sure they delay us so that we don't get to the rally ground. Bana basajja basazesaza abaana baffe ebiso babajje mu drone yabwe ne babasalasala ebiso. And they are born of women. Bankubye omutwe.
Nubian bamukubye. Nubian bamukubye. Bakubye Nubian. Nubian tula. Bakubye Nubian. Nubian is bleeding.
No, it's alright.
You want to kill me.
Muna mukubye babu.
To murder me. Why are you killing us?
Nubian bamukubye. Bakubye Nubian.
Sagara kucheza hizo. Zikulo mangu.
Why are you murdering us?
Oyo chali agaye bakubetia gas.
You're bleeding. We need to leave. We need to leave.
Sedi fumbako bisumulize ebenzigule ko wane meleke takaba. Kwata wano mulisa huko.
Njagala owamjire sali aina mu bandage. Oyisa. Tomukola bwo kubanga kakubye kuno ina mu.
Chali akanyuze ekintu kamba mulage kwata wano nze mba mulage.
It's alright. It's alright. I'm going to be fine. Okay? I'm going to be fine.
Kwata oziguliyo mulage chali akubye kiti ya gasi. Kwata ogulewo eri. Gula homba mulage agenda kudduka mukanyukide ekintu. Gula wo.
Make mdondo kwachi
Nyamba gulewo mulage bakubye gule eri ne motoka ze mbalaga mukubye kiti ya gasi yanguwa.
Kantore muni.
Mwesi kwa uno. Mwesi kwa uno.
Ati mwagazachi.
Chechibo mwamba.
Nze mwesi kwa mwagazachi.
Chechibo mwamba chiwa.
Toda mukubimbi tebyo bya stupid.
Yakasanguro kule.
Ko kidangamu.
Maka hivi.
Tega cotton.
Taliwa.
Shit. Afande Mwesigwa, Frank Mwesigwa is heading this. Where they're trying to kill us.
Njagala tawa aliwa.
Okay, so what okay with
Wala bika waliwo omusaayi. Naye just kajja kwata.
Watch your bleeding on you.
Atawa bleeding nnyo.
Okay.
Are you getting better?
I'll be fine.
Ras Nubian has been hit. No, bleeding here at surface. Ejikwata eh?
Tebajja zibba.
Nibalowooza bagenda kutta bameka. How many can they kill?
Kale mwana laba yasulubiya.
What is the motive of the senseless killings of black people in Africa? Why do you don't love yourself enough to appreciate the fellow?
Motoka bana baine motoka muzi moving.
Teka yamma. Omusajja atabadde kyoyo.
Will you be safe? Don't take his orders, give him the gun. Don't take fake orders, give him the gun. Give it to him.
Yeah, you let the street officer take. Move ahead. Move ahead. Move.
Okay, moving it.
Can you move?
Hello. Katubodinga tugende state.
Kale tugende.
Chawo deda. Abana babatade state.
You will soon realize that you have power.
Let the motor carry us over this one.
You know, say the person I'm expecting to murder me.
Moto kamgene maso. Why are you coaching your gun? Mugene maso.
Simanyi mugaso w'abasirikale
Was cut in the face and was blocked in the car. Why don't you just let us speak?
Give him space.
You know you are ashamed. Whatever they do.
Can you move?
Why you want to kill people?
Move.
You want the cars to fly? They are moving.
They are moving.
Shit. So tear gas ali buli wamu. Mulabe bafala abo. Mulabe bafala abo. Bali mukutya. Emuduka nyo. Pola. Eliwa. Ingira. Ingira. Yangu. Okay, brother.
That's looking good. Jaja looking. Jaja damwe mabega katono the wise. Go ruku je. Wembuka sign ngene.
Oiseo. Tugene. Abe ngache shuka. So ulema coachinga tukubatia gasi wano.
Lengero mulabona wa coaching dati mukwa.
Na mudo kanyo coachinga. Ojira bankadde.
Ajayo yiye gani.
Eganye. Esura bullet.